Hi, Stefan Svartling here from Svartling Network. In this episode of SvartlingCast, I would like to show you how easy it is to upload images on an iPad and use them in a blog post. And the app I use that make it so easy to upload images is called Picasa Web Albums, as you can see there. And Picasa Web Albums is free in the App Store for both the iPad and iPhone. And the cool thing with the Picasa Web Albums is that you use your Google accounts. You need a Google account, but after you have connected your Google account to Picasa Web Albums, you can upload photos for free if you have them at 2048 pixel resolution. Then you can upload as many images you want for free. And I can tell you that 2048 pixel resolution is more than enough for a blog post. You usually use around 600, 700 pixel when you post an image on your blog. Most users do, at least. And you can even set Picasa Web Albums to upload your images automatically if you want. So every time you take a photo or a screenshot on your iPad or iPhone, then Web Albums uploads them to a map that you choose, a folder. And you can upload images directly in the app if you want. Just click on upload and choose your images from your library, as you can see here. Or you can take a photo with a camera directly and upload it to Web Albums. And you can create different folders for your photos if you want. And here you also can see something really cool, and that is auto backup. This folder is from Google+, so all images that Google+ uploads automatically you can find in auto backup folder. That's pretty nifty. Really cool, as you can see. So these images that you upload automatically to Google+, you can also use for blogging. So let's say that I want to upload a screenshot that I have done on my iPad into this folder, blog 4. Then I see all other images I've uploaded to that folder. But if I click on upload, as you can see there, I can choose all photos and then choose the latest screenshot there and click upload. And this window opens. Here you can click and caption, add a caption to the image if you want, but you don't have to. So then just choose upload. And as you can see down here, the image uploads. And then it's ready to use for blogging. And by clicking on it, you open the image in Google Web Albums, Google Picasa Web Albums. And here, if you click on that arrow, that share button, these options opens. And here you can copy link, and that is what I do. I copy the link. Now I have the link to this photo in the clipboard on my iPad ready to use. And this link you can use in any blog editor, any blog app, markdown text editor, or whatever you want, directly in the blog service on the web or so on. I often use my favorite markdown text editor called Editorial. So let's say that I want to blog that photo. I create a new file like that, and at the top of this post I want to have an image. Then I can do some editorial magical here. I have done a workflow, an automated workflow for images, so I can do a short command like this. As you can see, I typed IM, and as you can see here, the automated workflow editorial fields that I want to add an image by typing those characters. So I click on that workflow. And as you can see, now the image is pasted into this blog post that I will write in editorial text editor. Completely finished with all the markup you need, with links and so on. If I want to see how this image looks, I can click on the preview button like that. And as you can see, the image is on the top in this post. Below this I can do my blogging. I just type testing this image like that. And if I click preview again, you can see the text below the image. But the image is quite big, as you could see. As I said, you can upload images for free up to 2048 pixel in resolution, as you can see there. So it's here you should change the size of the image. You edit that down to what you want the image to be. 640 is usually what I do. So by changing that and then check the preview, you can see that the image is now smaller. So as you can see, it's very easy to use images on the iPad in your blog posts. I can type a lot more here, of course, but if I want to have an image down here too, below the text in the blog post, I can go into web albums again. And here I can choose another image. We can choose that one, for example. Click on the image you want, go up here, copy link, go back to editorial, and here do your workflow magic by doing this. Click on the workflow link, and the image is in the post. Go in here and edit the size to what you want, like that, and check the preview. So now I have an image at the top, I have my blogging text and an image at the bottom. So now when I'm ready to post this on my blog, I just go into this share button and choose copy HTML. Only HTML. So now I have the code for this blog post in the clipboard on my iPad, so I can paste it in a blogging app or a blog service directly on the web, or whatever you choose to do. Very, very easy. And as I said before, you can use that link to an image in any app that you use for blogging that support pasting an image link directly in the post. So you don't have to use a markdown text editor. You can use the WordPress app, you can use whatever you want really. So that's pretty nifty. So you can even, if I copy this link again, now I have the link in the clipboard. I can go into drafts, note-taking app, and make an markdown image link if I want directly here with the image link in the clipboard. So it's very easy to use anywhere in any app. So this is how I use images in my blog post, and I must say that this is even easier than using images for blogging on a desktop computer, because with these apps that it makes it so easy to use, and you can switch so easy by just between the apps by just doing some swipes. So I can be in editorial, and when I want a new image I just do so and go into web albums and choose an image that I want. So it's so easy to go between the apps and use for blogging, as you can see. I like that. This is a very effective way for me to be creative. So this was a video to show you how easy it is to use images in your blog post. I hope you liked it. Okay, bye.